Welcome DIKWP aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like your brain is hitting a wall? Or maybe you've seen an AI get stuck in a loop. That's not just you, it's called DIKWP collapse. Forget the fancy jargon for a second. It's basically when a system, whether it's your mind, a company, or even an AI, gets so efficient it stops being smart. We're talking about a shift from exploring all possibilities to just following the easiest path. Today we're cracking this open. So why does this collapse happen? It's not magic, it's physics. Well, information physics, every system, human or machine, has limits. Think of it like this. You only have so much battery, so many neurons firing, so much time. First, computation. More options mean more energy spent. Systems naturally pick the shortest, easiest routes. Second, rewriting, changing deep beliefs or core knowledge is super costly. Easier to patch than rebuild. Third, verification. The outside world can only give you so much feedback so fast. If your internal model gets too complex, external checks lag behind. And fourth, coupling. Systems don't exist alone. They talk, they sync, they lock together. This pressure squeezes everything into a neat, low diversity box. That's the collapse in a nutshell. Efficiency wins, but at the cost of openness and adaptability. Okay, let's zoom in. A single DKB system, data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose, has 25 ways its parts can interact. Turning raw data into info, or knowledge into wisdom, simple enough. But here's the kicker, real life isn't solo. Systems couple up. Imagine System A influencing System B. Suddenly A's purpose dictates what data B sees, or A's knowledge dictates B's values. It's like a massive 5 by 5 interaction matrix layered on top of the original 25 paths. This coupling can be good synergy, but it can also create dangerous resonance loops. Two systems reinforcing each other's biases, getting tighter and tighter, until external correction becomes impossible. One collapse can pull another down with it. That's the network effect of collapse. How do we know if a collapse is happening? We measure it, we look at 5 key things. First, effective entropy. Is the system still handling diverse ideas, or is it getting monotonous? Second, path diversity. Are there still multiple ways to solve a problem, or just one rigid way? Third, external correctability. Can outside evidence actually change the system's mind anymore? Fourth, reversibility. If it makes a mistake, can it undo it and try something new? And fifth, purpose lock. Has the system's goal become so narrow it ignores everything else? We combine these into a collapse index. A high score means trouble is brewing. It's not just about one thing going wrong, it's the combination losing diversity, paths, external input, reversibility, while locking onto a single purpose. That's the dangerous signature. Collapse doesn't happen overnight, it's a process, a slide down a slope. Stage 0, open sparse. Messy, inefficient, but safe. Lots of paths, lots of noise. Stage 1, selective compression. Getting efficient, focusing on common tasks, still okay. Stage 2, dominant paths. A few go-to-go routes take over. Efficiency skyrockets, but weird stuff starts getting filtered out. This is where danger creeps close. Stage 3, pre-collapse. External feedback is ignored, paths are locked, purpose is narrowing. The system looks stable but is brittle. Stage 4, full collapse. Highly consistent but totally closed off. Can't learn, can't adapt. Stage 5, network spread. The collapsed state infects other connected systems. The whole network locks down. Keep an eye on those metrics, falling diversity, weak external links, VX and rising purpose lock, LP, especially between stages 2 and 3. So what's the big deal? For humans it means becoming blind to exceptions, outsourcing our critical thinking. For AI it means systems that are super stable but brittle, unable to admit they're wrong or handle the unexpected. Organizations fall into data-driven myths, where efficiency becomes the only god. And on a grand scale, civilization-wide homogenization, where diverse cultures and ideas are dismissed as inefficient. The antidote? Force diversity, build in external checks, and keep goals flexible. Remember, collapse isn't necessarily a crash, it's a quiet stagnation. Thanks for tuning in.